Let's now shift our focus towards mastering interest and behavior targeting to reach users most likely to convert. To do this, we'll first need to go on our lead generation campaign, like the ones we have set up in the previous chapters, and once you're on the sleep generation option, you can choose either from a manual or a smart campaign. Once you're done with this, including the campaign names and their toggles, hit continue. Here inside the ad group, we're going to go to the targeting section. In targeting, we're going to head to detail targeting where we can choose interests and behaviors. This allows us to target an audience based on their long-term interests, for example, fitness and wellness, tech and electronics, apparel and accessories, and so on and so forth. And it is recommended to select multiple relevant interest categories to balance specificity and scale. A food delivery app will combine food and beverage, restaurants, and local services, so food and beverage. A food delivery app combines food and beverage and local restaurants, for example. This will allow them to target users already exploring nearby options. Now, these behavior targeting insights are based on recent actions like video views, likes, shares, or follows in the last 7 to 15 days, and they're great for reaching fresh active users, showing intent with relevant content. We also have a smart interest and behaviors options, which is automatically on which will allow TikTok to show your ads outside these interests if it is able to improve performance. This smart targeting auto expands your audience when performance tips, yielding 15% lower CPA and around 20% higher conversion rates. Now you know how to dig into interest, behavior, and smart layers to target users most likely to convert. Now, by using all of this inside our campaigns, now by digging into this interest and behavior analytics and using these features inside our campaigns, we learned how to leverage them to target users most likely to convert. This was it about mastering interest and behavior targeting. See you in the next lesson.